Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Neptune 4 Max versus Neptune 3 Max. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. First, talk about processor. The Neptune 4 Max provided latest gen octa-core processor and 3 Max provided previous gen quad-core processor. So 4 Max is better. Now let's look at the RAM. The 4 Max provided 8 GB RAM and 3 Max provided 4 GB RAM. So 4 Max is better. Now let's look at the storage. The 4 Max provided 256 GB expandable storage and 3 Max provided 128 GB expandable storage. So 4 Max is better. Now let's look at the display. The 4 Max provided 6.8 OLED 220 Hz refresh rate display and 3 Max provided 6.5 LCD 90 Hz refresh rate display. So 4 Max is better. Now let's look at the camera. The 4Max provided 64MP main, 12MP ultra-wide, 8MP macro camera, and 3Max provided 48MP main, 8MP ultra-wide, no macro camera. So 4Max is better. Now let's look at the battery. The 4Max provided 5000 mAh, 45-watt fast charging battery, and 3Max provided 4500 mAh and 25-watt fast charging battery. So 4Max is better. Now let's look at the software. The 4 Max provided Android 14.3 years of updates, and the 3 Max provided Android 12.2 years of updates. So 4 Max is better. Now let's look at the build quality. The build quality of 4 Max is premium glass and aluminium frame, and the 3 Max build quality is a plastic frame. So 4 Max is better. Now let's look at the 5G support. Yes, this feature is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the price. The price of 4 Max is estimate $599 and the price of 3 Max is estimate $399. So it depends upon the budget. And in the last, let's look at the overall performance. The overall performance of 4 Max is enhanced performance and features. And the overall performance of 3 Max is mid-range performance. So 4 Max is better. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.